Meaning of graffiti.
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 Graffiti. Graffiti refers to unauthorized markings, drawings, or messages made on public or private property without permission. It is often associated with urban environments and is considered a form of vandalism. Graffiti can take many forms, such as spray-painted slogans or intricate murals. It has been used as a means of political protest, social commentary, and artistic expression. While some view graffiti as a form of art, others see it as a blight on the community. The legality and social acceptance of graffiti vary widely depending on the location and context in which it is found.